Alright guys, so also here I have lost the cruise control bolt. Okay, can you see it? Okay, so we're gonna try to find if we can replace that. And at the same time, I'm gonna open up the housing and do an inspection and lubricate a little bit the electrical. It's about time. Okay. That's a T25. This is not cover, this is a massive piece. It's been on the bike for a good 20 years. I got this back in the 90s. Alright, this here. Let me find so last year I also did the two throat cables. I replaced them with Barnett new ones. The old ones they last for as far as I remember, they last about 20 years. But I have lubricate them. I keep maintaining them. All right. With the cable lubrication kit, you can see it on a couple of videos back how to use the cable lubrication for motorcycles. I have done it on a Beamer here. It takes a little bit of time, but your cables that will last for a very long time, especially if they are 2-3 years old and up. Lubricate them. Okay, so let's see how the housing is. Looks pretty decent. Okay. Let's check it out. Alright, so I couldn't get the cruise control screw, so I'm gonna take this off and start, maintaining and cleaning this stuff here. I haven't done it for a while, so and it's a little bit probably W40 regular and silicone for the electrical, and get the stuff. I'm gonna take this off. I think I'm gonna get rid of the speakers because we not gonna use them anymore. And let me close the battery. We don't use them anymore, so if I don't get a better connection here, I'm just gonna get rid of them. The thing is, what I have is this. This isn't good. Just gonna get rid of it. Okay, so on the switches here. I'm gonna use a little bit silicone W40. Okay, a little bit on this one. That's good enough. All right, and right here, just a little bit. Let me show you. Right here and right here, this is a double cable. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit grease. I have the Barnett grease that came with the cables, but I'm gonna put a little bit something a little bit better. I'm gonna put a little bit bearing, medium heat, just a little bit. Just a little bit here and a little bit here. It won't do any harm. It will actually keep them nice and clean, okay? Okay, that's it. Now remember, these cables, I put them in the summertime, so they've been there for only 3-4 months, okay? Otherwise, I will use the kit. Look a couple of videos back, how to grease a throat or any cable. All right. Okay. This is good enough. Let it be in there. Let me use that. Again, this is a T25. All right. دخل. Okay, let's go to the next step. All right, so string heat, 2 sizes. We're gonna reconnect the left speaker. The left speaker was damaged because I put the RAM mount here and I squeezed the cable and I cut it. So we don't use them much, but I decided to leave it on just in case we go somewhere and we wanted to listen to the music. I have this for many years, so why take them off now? All right. So I'm gonna take this, put this over. This one is longer, so I'm gonna use this first. Hold on. Somebody's going by in Crown, German Shepherd. He doesn't like it. Okay, so I'm gonna put these two down here. All right. Here, 1 and 2. And clean the cables and get ready the soldering gun. All right. Let me get something else. It's not easy here. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's do a test. Before I'm closing up, and I'm gonna put the cable this way. This time over the top. Let me see here. Yeah, that will be okay. All right. Let me put okay, turn on the power. Okay, put the music on the phone, the music on. Alright, let's lower the volume. Let's see.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby. You drive me up a wall the way you make good all the nasty tricks you pull. Seems like we're making up more than we're making.
Okay, it works. I'm sure YouTube is going to cut off the music or something, but you know, turn off the power, remove that, take this off. Okay, I'm going to close first the white one. Right here.
Come here, baby. You know you drive me up a wall the way you make good all the nasty tricks you pull. Seems like we're making up more than we're making love. And it always seems you got.
Okay, so I fixed that too. You see, you gotta spend time with your bike if you wanna have a bike, and I don't care if it's a new one or an old one, and you know, I like to work on this the way I want. So you know, we fixed the stereo system, and actually, if you see my carburetor work, the rebuild of the carburetor on the bike, I just found the bolt that I was looking for, so I just put it back right here. If you haven't seen the Evolution carburetor rebuild, you should watch it if you have an Evo, or if you have a carburetor twin cam or something like that. All right, so let's get going. Yeah, I'm also inspecting these LEDs. You can't really see them if I don't turn them on. I have them for you know, night rides, so for more visibility. You see, they're gone. So we're gonna start closing down this and finish this later on. But we're good for today. Throat cable is done. So we'll continue next time. Thanks.